Welcome to this lesson. In this part, we will talk more about the programming languages we want to use for our website. Now, there are many different programming languages that you can use for different purposes, but to create a website, we have to use these three languages, and those are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, you can use other languages for different part of the website, but to have a basic website, we should use these languages. Now, if you have no knowledge of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, that's okay. But you can come here and you can ask ChatGPT to write a very short description, 1-2 sentence description about each of them. So let's do that. All right, so I mentioned that I want you to write a short description for each of the programming languages below, and I want you to also mention what is the main use of these programming languages when we're creating a website. So let's see the response. All right, so let's look at the answer. HTML is the backbone of any website, okay? HTML is used to create basic structure of a web page, including headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, and other elements. So each of the elements on a website that you see is made by HTML. As you can see in this website, in this ChatGPT website that we are in, we have a text here, we have a bold text. All of these was made with HTML. Then we have CSS, okay? CSS is used to control the layout and appearance of the structure of elements in a web page. CSS allows web developers to style HTML elements on the web page. For example, here we have these tags. If you want to change the color of this part to, for example, white or red or green, you have to do it using CSS. And then we have JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that makes website interactive, while HTML and CSS deal with the structure and presentation of website. JavaScript handles the site's functionality. For example, when we click on, for example, on a menu and something appear, okay, for example, when I come here and click on this button and it goes down, it is scrolled to the bottom of the page, this is JavaScript, okay? So these functionalities, or when I come here, click on this search bar, click on this messaging bar, you see this element appear here and it blinks. This is JavaScript. Now with JavaScript, we can create these kind of stuff. But a very simple website that looks good can only use HTML and CSS. These two languages are enough, but if you want to make it better, you can use JavaScript as well. And for the website that we want to create together, we will use these three languages. So that was all about this lesson. I just wanted you to have some basic information about the programming languages that we are going to use. And even if you don't have any coding knowledge, now you have some basic information about what each of these languages for. Okay, so that was all about this lesson. From next lesson, we will begin creating our website. See you on the next lesson.